Alright, so it's been quite a while since my last video. I said I was gonna take a break and I did, but now my exams are over, I'm back, and hopefully I'll be able to upload more in the coming weeks. So I haven't done a Q&A in quite a while, so I thought today I'll just do a Q&A and answer some of your questions. I'm going to be answering questions from my Instagram, YouTube and Discord, so if you want to get your questions answered, make sure to follow me there and join my server. So, Cubing Extra asks, who is your favorite cuber and who is the most iconic cuber? The most iconic cuber obviously is Felix Zemlek, there's absolutely no question about that. As for who is my favorite cuber, right now I don't really have much of a favorite. It's not like there's just one person I'm a huge fan of, but if I had to pick one, it'll probably be Maddie. Topster Cubing asks, what all other stuff do you do other than cubing and YouTube? That's a great question. Obviously I still have school, you know, I'm still a kid, so apart from doing my schoolwork, I'm also a swimmer. I swim competitively, so I do have to train quite a few times each week. But other than that, yeah, especially now that it's holidays for me, I'm gonna try and do as many videos as possible and try not to slack off too much. So, Expert Cubing asks, what's your main? My main right now is the Moyu Beilong WRM 2019, but however, if you look, actually this edge is missing a torpedo. I lost it a while ago, which means it basically pops all the time, so I emailed Speedkeep Shop, but unfortunately they do not have this replacement part in availability, so I was wondering, should I just get another Worm 2019 and take the torpedo? I don't know, it seems kind of wasteful to me that I'm just gonna get the whole cube just for the torpedo. So yeah, I'm still deciding whether or not I should get a new cube or not. So I average about 9 seconds. I've been averaging 9 seconds for a couple of months now. Where do you live? I live in Singapore. Which state? Singapore. Which city? Singapore. How much time before you started cubing? So I'm assuming he's just asking like when did I start cubing, and I started cubing on the 29th of September 2018, which is when I started speed cubing, and yeah, it's been an amazing journey since then. When are you going to do a face reveal? So actually I have trolled and I have done a bunch of fake face reveals every now and then, but I am thinking of actually doing a face reveal in the near future. I'm not sure, probably not going to be this year or anything, but I do have some ideas for various types of videos which would be a lot more entertaining to watch if I had a face reveal or face cam or something. So yeah, you guys can probably look forward to that soon. JJ Cuber asks, would you rather give up your channel to become a world-class speed cuber or grow your channel to become one of the most subscribed cubing YouTubers, but you're always getting worse at speed cubing? So obviously the thing is that I obviously like making videos a lot more than being a world-class speed cuber, which is the first option. And for the second option, it's obviously going to be a lot harder for me to make videos if I'm averaging like 1 minute and I'm keep getting slower and slower. But I think that even though I'm not going to be as fast, I would still be able to think of some reasonably good ideas which I hope can be entertaining to any cubers that are watching. For example, I can start like a vlog series or something where I show how I'm trying to get faster even though I am not, you know, something like that, and I can do comedy sketches and stuff. So yeah, I'll probably go for the second option. If CAG is well, looks like I don't have to answer the rest of this question. Would you rather give up social media / cubing for the rest of your life, or be really good at them but you'll have to eat your haters food for breakfast every day? So if I have to eat something that I really don't like for breakfast but I eat it every day, I feel like after a while I'll start to get like, you know, used to it. Like if, for example, if I'm forced to eat chocolate or something every single day, after a while I'll sort of get used to the taste of it and it wouldn't be that bad anymore. But to give up my channel and stop cubing forever, it would be a bit hard for me, so I'll definitely go for the second option. If you had to, which would you pick? Only making 4x4 videos forever or only making unboxing videos forever? So I think if I'm stuck on making 4x4 videos, first of all, obviously I practice 4x4 a lot more, but the thing is, not like the amount of people who are watching videos about 4x4 compared to the amount of people watching unboxing videos is obviously going to be a lot less. But I feel like with 4x4 videos, I'll have the opportunity to branch out with my content more. Like unboxing videos, I'm sort of stuck making the same boring unboxing the cube and then review it, you know. But if I'm doing 4x4 videos, I can do unique things like challenges, vlogs and stuff like that. So probably I'll pick the option on 4x4. Rahul asks, do you recognize this? But I think for this last question, I'm not gonna answer it. I'm gonna let the viewers answer it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.